get a piece?
For what? Yeah. I'm gonna go shower real quick. If you did. I just told Toby I need to get home as soon as we're done with that. Peace. See ya. Hey, let's start backing up, boys.
Day 2 started off great, actually. We got everyone up, out of bed, got to the conference on time. We were ready to rock out.
Events can be pretty, all over the place and crazy. So near the end, I was definitely ready to go. I was ready to sit in the car, let Jake drive me all the way home, and I was ready to crash.
So everything was going super smooth. Day 2 was going well, having a good time, and then we get this phone call.
We were supposed to check out this morning like you do at an Airbnb. Alex left all his stuff at the Airbnb. We did a whole full day of work at this conference, and we got to go back to this Airbnb and figure out where all his stuff is. What an idiot. You think you're gonna find your stuff at the Airbnb?
I'm not. I left my laptop, the charger, and the headphones.
There are new tenants living in there now, right?
Are there new tenants?
Run the doorbell to see if we can get in.
So when we got to the Airbnb, the next tenants were there. And there's like 8 dudes just sprawled out on the couch, and I gotta convince them that I'm just going upstairs for Alex's clothes that he left.
Got the clothes?
That's all he got.
But did you get the laptop?
Nope.
No laptop.
No.
They don't do a thorough job of cleaning.
Oh! Everyone else packed up, and it was very obvious because even when we were packing the car, we all had our luggage. And when the team says, hey, we're all leaving, checking out, Alex was sleeping in when I said that, so he missed the game plan.
3-story Airbnb. I was all the way at the top. I did not sleep in, Kevin. It wasn't even sleeping in. I got up at like 8:15. I mean, in hindsight, I should have known that we were leaving.
How do we get the laptop back?
No one's calling us back at the Airbnb.
Yeah, that was all the footage of first day.
So we're just stuck in St. Louis until this gets resolved?
No, dude. At this moment, I just want to go. I just want to get back to Kansas City. We've been working like since 7:30 in the morning. And Kevin keeps telling me to call people. He's got his phone in his hand, wondering why he can't call people, and he's having me call people.
Hey Jake, try calling this number because I tried, so someone else tried.
They're trying to get a hold of Alex's laptop guy.
This is the owner.
This is
of
the call.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up.
Hey Michael, this is Jake. We had an Airbnb rental with you guys this weekend. Unfortunately, one of my weekday, sorry. Thank you, Kevin. Unfortunately.
After texting, calling, leaving messages with the neighbor, we finally got a hold of the Airbnb guy. Appreciate it. Thank you. Bye. We're heading to PW Pizza.
Oh, we're out of gas. Oh no, it's dying. The car's dead.
You're serious?
I wish. That content would be prime.
Go get it!
You should have called him.
We're looking for, what's his name, Kyle?
Oh, wait.
Yeah. So Mike said you guys left at like 9:30 this morning. I go, shit, because I walk upstairs and go, oh my god.
And here's our team member here.
We're at Union Station, so we were filming stuff.
Doesn't
So we got
know
a
when
bunch
the
of
rest of the
video.
team was checking.
Yeah, thank you.
He learned
Appreciate
not to
it.
sleep in.
Thank
Good content. The best content is when it's raw and when you don't plan it. There's no strategy behind this. It's, hey, Alex, if you're looking for a dependable videographer, you know who to call.
after finding all that missing stuff, still in good spirits. The conference was a success. We got to meet a lot of really cool people. You know, it was good bonding for us as a team. Even more, we're always in this office working, so it was always good to get out. We can't wait for our next adventure.
MDMC as a whole was really great. Seeing the familiar faces again was super awesome, being able to hang out with people as friends. And next time, I guess I'll pay more attention to when we're leaving the Airbnb.
As a digital marketing agency, it's good to be among our peers and be able to hear some of the challenges in the industry. It's a time of learning and at the same time delivering value to our client. And we're just thankful that Agorapulse has given us the opportunity to just travel with them and capture some awesome content.